Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of removed sound on TikTok. Let's dive right in. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Find and open the video where the sound has been removed. Tap the three dots on the right side of the screen to bring up the options menu. In the pop-up menu, tap Save Video to download the video to your device. Return to the TikTok home screen and tap the plus icon to start creating a new video. Select Upload and choose the video you just saved from your device. And then, add sounds at the top of the screen. Search for a new sound or the same one if it's still available, then tap to add it to your video. Once you're satisfied with the new sound, tap Next. Add any captions or effects you want, and then tap Post to re-upload your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.